In this video, we will go through a newly launched feature of ICICI Bank InstaBiz app, that is Insta Vendor Payment. Just log in into the app. On the home screen, scroll down to Urgent and Important section. Under Urgent and Important, you will get the option of Insta Vendor Payment. Through this feature, you can add a beneficiary and make a payment to him on immediate basis without any cooling period. No card grid detail is required, and also there is no limit or restriction on the amount to be transferred to the beneficiary. All you have to do is just to register for Insta Vendor Payment for the first time. As I have already registered for this option, so I will be seeing the Insta Vendor Payment page. For the first time user, a terms and condition pop-up will be shown, and they have to accept the terms and condition, and once they have accepted the terms and condition, their registration will be done and they will be inside the Insta Vendor Payment page. So to make a payment to a vendor, all you have to do is to add the vendor and his banking details. If you have previously added the vendor, click on this vendor tab. You will see the list of vendors. You can also search with the initials. In order to add the vendor, click on the plus button, enter the vendor name, account detail, account number, and the IFSC code. It will fetch all the details automatically. Now you have to click on save button, which is available on the top right corner. So now the beneficiary details is entered and beneficiary or vendor is created. As we have selected the ICICI Bank account only, the beneficiary account is ICICI Bank account, so type of transaction is fund transfer. You can also enter any notes for your reconciliation purpose. Enter the amount and click on proceed button on the top right corner. It will ask you to enter the OTP that will be sent on your registered mobile number with ICICI Bank. Once you have entered the OTP, click on proceed and your transaction is made on immediate basis without any cooling period, without any grid detail. So this is all about ICICI Bank Insta Vendor Payment.